In the world, there are 1.6 billion people that are affected by some kind of hearing loss. So for them, it's super important to have an invisible solution.
There is a stigma around hearing loss, and I have seen this firsthand with my grandmother. When she started losing her hearing, even just admitting there was something wrong, and the fact that she would have to go through this whole process to get hearing aids, paying for them, insurance, all of that was just really stressful and difficult for her. So what if there was an easier way?
Our vision is to manufacture a pair of glasses like the one that I'm wearing with hearing aids hidden in the temples. It amplifies what you see. So what you see is what you hear amplified. Tell us more about your experience with the glasses.
So obviously, not only are they stylish, but they are actually functionable. And I think my favorite part about it is how directional the audio is. So when I'm looking at you, I'm actually hearing you speak to me, and everything else in the room, the audio is just muted and muffled and it's drowned out. So it's like I'm actually having those real conversations again. And for me, just seeing the possibilities for people is so incredible.
What is your first impression of Nuance Audio?
Game-changing. Stylish.
Accessible and effortless.
As a supermodel in her 70s, I love this.
Genius.
I think this is a major, major home run.
How do you feel when you put it on? Actually, I feel very sophisticated. Hello? You see it? Do you see it? You see it, right? You see it.
Stylish and cheap.
I want to wear them all the time now. How do you see Nuance Audio fitting into your daily life?
Oh, darling, it's already in my life. I'm utilizing it every day, and being able to utilize the different features and the app in conversations with folks, and as I'm navigating the world as a person with a hearing loss, has been absolutely delicious.
You'll never have to say, huh? What did you say again?
Go out and get a pair today, because it's going to be gone in no time.